Ready for adventures?
Yeah.
Yay.
What?
I am a robot.
Hey. Oh.
Wow! It's a real transformer! I love yoga!
Is it delicious?
Yeah.
We're so lucky! Let's go, girls! Super! I got a lot of tickets! What is this? So much fun! Such an interesting boat trip!
Adam.
Then it goes out here.
Adam. Do you like it?
Yeah, there are bats in there. There's also pigeons usually.
Beautiful!
Hey.
It's so much fun to play with these balls!
Show me your ice cream.
Yeah.
Is it rainbow?
I have
What you got?
lemon and raspberry.
Nice. I love this pink one.
Hey, goat! Is it yummy?
Yeah. Wow. Yummy.
Hi, cutie!
Hey.
Come here, guys! We have some food!
Bye bye.